Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to change the server name on Windows Server 2022. Using the Server Manager, you can easily change the server name. To start, you can also launch the Server Manager from the Start menu of your Windows Server. Click on the local server from the left sidebar menu and click on the computer name. The System Properties dialog appears on the screen. Click on the Change button in the Computer Name tab. Enter the server name that you want to use as a server name in the Computer Name field. Click on More. Enter the primary DNS suffix for your computer. Click on OK. And at this point, you need to restart your Windows Server to apply the above changes. Click Restart Now, which will restart your computer right away. After your computer is restarted, the server name will be changed. You can check that the computer name is successfully changed. You can also change the server name using PowerShell commands. Most Windows users prefer to use PowerShell while working on Windows Server. So, you need to perform the following steps to change the server name in the Windows Server via PowerShell. Open the PowerShell window from the Start menu of Windows Server. Now, use the following syntax to change the server name. Replace the server name with the name that you want to set for your computer. For example, here we choose the name GreenCloud. After that, the following output will show on the PowerShell terminal. To effect the changes, you must restart your computer. So, restart your system by using this command. You can check that the computer name is successfully changed. If you'd prefer to change the server name using the command line, CMD is also an option. Type command prompt in the search bar, right-click on command prompt and then select Run as Administrator. We can rename a server name from the command prompt using the WMIC computer system command. For example, if the current server name is 203, to change it to GreenCloud, we can run the following command. After applying this command, you need to restart the server to make the changes effective. You can check that the computer name is successfully changed.